So I'm shopping Pinterest inspired looks straight out of my closet. Let me just say this, whatever you need to wear is most likely already in your closet. Hey you guys, welcome back to KBTV. I'm a little excited about, first of all, if this is your first time here, welcome. I post videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of travel. So I'm a little excited about today's video because you guys are getting a 2-in-1, or 2 for 1, 2-in-1, 2 for 1. The first part is we're gonna recreate looks from Pinterest, and the second part is we're gonna do that by looking in my closet to recreate these looks. So let's get straight into the video. So we all love a good Pinterest inspired outfit, and you know what, it's probably already in your closet. Yesterday I was about to buy some things for spring, and I was just like, you know what, let me look in my closet to see what I have to wear, because a lot of the items in my closet that I have I don't wear. Like, I feel like I'm a hoarder. I just be buying stuff, and I feel like, oh, if I'm not going anywhere, I can't wear it. Like, wear your clothes. So here's the first look. It's going to be a button down, a long sleeve button down, and I chose to use a pop of color because I would usually stick to the traditional white button down, but I found this peach button down in the closet. It is a men's button down, and I just paired it with these jeans I got from Blank NYC, I believe, and then these shoes I got from Italy from this store called Zulli. I'm just gonna put the Pinterest picture here, and then I'm just gonna put a full body display on the screen so you guys can see the full look. So let's get straight into this video.
Look number 1. Here's the Pinterest look. She's killing it. First, I'm going to show you guys the accessories I use. I'm just going to use this mini baby Coach purse I got from the Coach outlet with some peach slingback heels. We are going with just a classic button-down shirt. I chose to use this peach color just because now we are in spring and we need to add some more color into our wardrobe. A pair of jeans of your choice. And what I love about this look is that you can dress it up with heels, or you can keep it casual with flats. I chose to wear the heels because I love how it elevated the look a little more, and I just chose to wear some simple gold hoops. Nothing too crazy with the accessories. So here's look 2. Here's the Pinterest look, and here's my look. So I used a button-down vest. So I was surprised that I actually had this vest in my closet. What I love about this look is that a button-down vest paired with some jeans, it just creates a stylish and a slightly more casual look. You can complete the outfit with a pair of jeans, either skinny or relaxed fit. It just depends on your preference. So here's a look number 3. Here's the Pinterest look, Miss Kendall Jenner, and here's my look. So this is the viral Sweetheart denim dress from Zara, and then I just paired it with this shoulder shawl. I paired it with my Ganni bag and my Urban Revival Fox leather knee boots. Okay, so here's look 3. Here's the Pinterest inspired look, and here's my look. I went with a brown fox leather tube top, and I went with a black denim cargo skirt. I just wanted to change it up a little bit and not be completely the same, but I used my Urban Revival boots and my Ganni bag.
That concludes today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. I am building a small community, and I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, because I'm kind of like throwing myself out there when it comes to YouTube. I still get a little nervous when I'm recording, which is so funny to me because I am not a shy person. But I don't know, when this camera come on, I'll be nervous, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm getting over it. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.